Introducing Simsy, your gateway to the future of entrepreneurship. We are an AI-driven platform dedicated to cultivating startups and sparking innovation with a single, empowering vision to democratize the entrepreneurial journey. Simsy is a thriving ecosystem driven by builders. This includes everyone from graduate students to seasoned professionals, to budding entrepreneurs and even established innovators. With Simsy, your idea can be transformed into a tangible, thriving reality. Our platform harnesses the power of the venture studio model, which includes everything an entrepreneur needs to ideate, set up, launch and scale their business. Along the journey, you'll gain access to our expansive network of enablers, a dynamic community that includes experienced startup mentors, consultants, service providers, and early-stage investors. Your idea won't be alone, it will be in the company of minds that can help it grow. Are you ready to transform your idea into reality with Simsy? Start by visiting our website simsy.io, and then sign up. It's easy to do and completely free. Once you complete the sign-up process, go through the following steps to unlock the full potential of our platform. Begin by creating a comprehensive profile, including your persona and preferences, making sure to fill out all the necessary sections. Once your profile is complete, you can create a new project for your startup or innovative concept. Begin your project by generating your own business model canvas during the ideation phase. You will find all the information you need to understand what a great business plan should include on the platform. As your project ideation develops, be sure to complete sustainability mapping and generate report based on 3 pillars: diversity, equity, inclusion and belonging, environmental, social and corporate governance, and the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals to maximize the long-term survival and net impact of your business. Generate your setup, launch and scale reports during the execution phase to plan, track and report your project's progress. Iteration is one of the keys to success. Our platform is designed in a way that allows you to revisit and refine every section as you learn and grow. To increase your success rate and to create a standout profile and high-quality reports that will help you connect to the enabler network more effectively, consider our recommended assisted or playbook or premium services. Showcase your accomplishments by using the social share option found within each report tab. This will help establish your brand and credibility. As your project starts to take shape, you can engage with other industry startup founders and innovation enablers and get their insights or support by sharing your summary report using the Connect to Network feature. Access to a robust, relevant network is invaluable to your success, so we've made sure to incorporate networking and community on our platform to foster an environment of collaboration and sharing of ideas, thoughts, and resources. For a deeper understanding of your progress, download the detailed reports available in each section and use it for your own analysis and continuous improvements. At any stage, you have the option exploring and utilizing the relevant optional services available on the platform, including our ongoing webinars, workshops and masterclasses. Our team of experts is always ready to help you increase your chances of success. We recommend scheduling a time in your calendar, preferably 15 to 20 minutes on a weekly basis to keep your profile, project and reports up to date as you progress through your entrepreneurial journey. Once your project starts to take shape and when you feel ready, reach out to expand your network and gain access to valuable resources by using the Connect option under the Network section. You have the opportunity to find internship in a startup, your co-founder, your mentor, startup consultants, startup service providers and investment partners. To help you maximize your learning, use AI-powered Ask Simsy feature and get quick answers or instant assistance. If you have any questions or need clarifications, reach out to us via the live chat option. To ensure that entrepreneurial success is an achievable dream for all, our platform is available in multiple languages. Simply select the preferred language option at the bottom right of your screen. We are on a journey of continuous improvement and hence request you to provide your feedback, which will help us bring new features and improvements to you on a regular basis. Our goal is to help you increase your success rate, scale and impact. The future of entrepreneurship is here, and it's waiting for you at Simsy. Sign up today for free at simsy.io.